Hello, my dear students. It's nice to meet you today. Take care. Today, knows it anyone? We have today general revision. Yes, we need it. Why? Because I need a full mark. Can you find the full mark? Sure you can. By concentration and be careful. Let's see these questions. My dear students, what about to get general revision? We love general revision. It's very important to us to get a full mark. Let's see different questions. This question explains sufficient acidic solution is added to quantity of water to produce H3O, which equal this special number 7.50 by 10 power negative 5. Now, what you need, we know H3O positive has 7.5 by 10 power negative 5. What is the OH in the solution? I need concentration of OH negative. How can you answer this? The answer, as a beginning, you must write the law. Concentration of H by concentration of OH equal 10. 10 what? 10 power negative 14. It's a neutral. H positive, OH negative, 10 power negative 14. So, OH equal 10 negative equal 10 power negative 14 per concentration of the hydrogen positive. Very important. Now, the result will be 10 power negative 14 per 7.5 by 10 power negative 5. This is very easy to say. 1.33 by 10 power negative 10. Important. This. Another one. Example. Calculate the pH for each of the following solution. Then identify the nature of the solution. Number A, concentration of H3O by 1 power 10 power negative 3. B, concentration of H3O equal 1 by 10 power negative 9. Now, what is the answer? The answer will back to the first, pH equal negative log concentrated equal negative log H3 concentrated hydroxonium. Then negative log concentration 1 by 10 power negative 3 equal negative 3 concentrated equal 3. Do you know what is the 3? Less than 7. Less than 7, it means what? Acidic solution. Important to find this. Another one, we can say pH equal negative log by concentrated 1 by 10 power negative 9 equal negative 9 concentrated equal 9. More than 7 alkaline solution. So don't forget you have an important law. Write the law. Find the answer easy. Acidic less than 7. Alkaline more than 7. Both are equal. Fly to this question. This question say the degree of solubility of the silver chloride AgCl is 0.10 power negative 5 mole per liter. Calculate the solubility produced of AgCl. Degree of solubility? Yeah, we know it. What I do for the first equation, AgCl equal Ag plus Cl. It's not right equation. Why? You must know it's irreversible. Also, it have Ag positive, Cl is a negative. Move for both direction, irreversible one. Now, Ksp, constant of solubility, concentration of Ag plus Cl is not right. Where is the charge? Positive. Where is the other? Is a negative. Good. Now, Ksp equal 10 by 10? No. 10 power negative 5 by 10 power negative 5, the result will be 10 power negative 10. I like this question. Easy to find KSP. My dear, I said it many times. Don't forget to write the law. Without law, no answer right. What about to get this question? What is meant by? What is meant by definition? No, write everything you know about this section. For the first, it's the negative logarithmic of the hydrogen ion concentration, pH equal negative log, concentrated H3O negative. The symbol P means negative log. Another one, do you know what this means? pH value. I like this question. When I say pH value, write this question. Stewart law, easy. We can say a monoprotic weak acid, HA. Example acid contains one proton H positive only in its molecule. Stewart law, very important law. My dear, we can say dissociate in the water by applying the law of mass action on the equilibrium system. Catch this ionization process. Ionization, we need the definition. It's very easy to find it. We can say it's a process in which the ionized molecules are changed into what? Into ion. I talk about ionization. So will be ions. For the other question, strong electrolytes. Strong electrolytes, yes, easy definition. These are substances which ionize completely in the water into positive and negative ions. So the example, solution of the salt, acids and alkali. It's a very important definition. Fly to this one, law of mass action. Every exam tell me what is the law of mass action. To find the law of mass action, catch it by this. From the beginning, it's a state that at the constant temperature, the rate of the chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product. Product of what? Of multiplication of the reactants concentration. Don't forget, law, mass, action. Another one, this question, H is raised to the power of the number of the molecule or ions in the balance chemical equilibrium. What a wonderful law. The other question, tell me Le Chatelier. Yes, we know Le Chatelier principle. Le Chatelier, it's a state, a change in any of the condition of the chemical reaction at equilibrium. Do you think such as what? Such as concentration. This is important. Concentration. Also pressure, temperature. Why we make all of this? To be shift the equilibrium in direction which opts this change. So this is want to know how can you back to equilibrium. Fly to this, pressure, temperature, concentration. I like this Le Chatelier law principle. Another one, tell me the KSP for CaF2 is 3 by 10 negative 11. What is the solubility of CF2 in the water in gram per liter? Solubility KSP, it's very easy. My dear, write it like this. Ca equal 40, F equal 19. How can you catch? You catch this question by molar mass of CAF. This is number 1. Find the molar mass, CF2. Don't say CF only. After that, write the equation. CAF2 will be Ca plus 2F. This is positive and the other is a negative. 1 mole, yeah, equal X and X. X and X, yeah. KSP Ca concentrated by concentration of F. Now, positive 2? Yeah. What about the other? Negative. But I have a power. Don't forget it. 3.9 by 10 power negative 11 equal X by concentrated 2X. Easy. What is the result? Yes, good. Don't forget the power all time because we have a 2 in the front of X. Catch it? Now you say it as 3.9 equal 10 power negative 11 equal 4X. What about this important question? Negative what? Negative 3 because we have 2. It's easy. Now, X by 2X equal 3.9 by 10 power negative 11. Don't forget 3.9 by 10 power negative 11 equal 4X. Don't forget power what? Negative 3. All time we say that. Equal X2 3.9 by 10 power negative 11. Yes, divided 4. What is the result? The result will be 9.7 by 10 power negative 12. Easy question. X only equal what? Root 9.7 by 10 power negative 12 equal 2.136 by 10 power negative 4. Catch this. To convert to gram per liter, what you do for this case? 1 mole equal 78 gram. 2.136 by 10 power negative 4 equal X gram. Cross multiplication. The concentration 2.136 by 10 power negative 4 equal by 78. The final in gram equal 0.0166 gram per liter. Fly to this. Calculate the mass in gram of half mole of sulfuric acid H2SO4. Mass of 1 mole of sulfuric acid equal 2 by 1 plus 32 plus 1 pi 4 by 6 equal 98 gram. Do you know what this means? This is the molar mass. This is the mass of sulfuric acid. Now, mass equal number of moles by mass of 1 mole equal 0.5 by 98 equal 49 grams. Easy and important. Catch the other question. The other one, tell me, calculate the number of the silver chloride precipitated from the reaction of 5.85 sodium chloride with 17 gram silver nitrate. The answer, NaCl, it means number of the mole equal mass per mass of 1 mole. There is a 5.85 per 8.5 equal 0.1 mole. This is for sodium chloride. What about AgNO3? By the same steps, we can say number of the mole equal mass per mass of 1 mole will be 17 per 170 equal 0.1 mole. Easy and wonderful. Catch this. AgNO3 plus NaCl will be AgCl plus NaNO3. Now, don't forget, AgCl is what? Precipitated. Now, fly to this question. Mention the mathematical formula relating between each of the following. For the first one, the number of the mole for a gas and its volume at STP, a stable temperature and pressure. Number 2, we need the molecular mass of the gas and its density. We can find them. Yes, it's very easy. Concentrate. For the number 3, to catch all of them together. the concentration of the solution mole per liter, and both the number of dissolved moles and the solution of the volume in liter. Now, what is the first one? The number of produced ion in the solution of at any ionized substance and the number of dissolved mole. Catch one after one to find the answer. At the beginning, ask yourself, what is the volume? The volume equal number of mole by 22.4. So, what you do after that? I find density, molar mass per 22.4. Easy. This is a mathematical relation. What about the third one? Number of the mole equal C by volume. Wonderful. What about the fourth? Number of ions equal number of the mole by what? Avogadro's number. Good, my dear. It's very important to find this important law, mathematical rules. Fly to this question. I write equilibrium constants reaction of the following. At the beginning, acetic acid H3COOH plus ethanol C2H5OH. The equation in different direction irreversible will be ester CH3COOC2H5 plus water. Now, Kc equal what? CH3COOC2H5 concentrated per CH3COOH plus C2H5OH. What else? Now, write the equilibrium constant of this reaction. Look at this. C plus H2O, reversible for different direction, will be water plus CO. Kc equal, answer good, quickly. We can say it as H2 concentrated by concentration of CO. Easy, my dear. Kp, PH2 dot PCO. This is about the law of the equilibrium. Another one, write the equilibrium for constants of this reaction of the following. This equation, Sn plus Pp will be for the two direction irreversible, SNO plus Pp. Yes, what do you want? Not is pleased by the equilibrium constant equation. Which one is acidic or basic or neutral? Look at the table. A equal 4, B equal 5, C equal 7, D equal 9, equal 10. 5 of them. How can you do? A for the beginning, A4. Do you know what this means? It means it's, acidic. B5, acidic. C7, neutral. D9, it means alkaline. E10, alkaline. Less than 7, acidic. More than 7, alkaline. A4, acidic. B5, acidic. C7, neutral. D7, alkaline. Alkaline solution or basic. What about E? More than 7. Easy. Alkaline. Yes. Very important. Easy question. We need a lot of marks. Look at this. Compare between. I like this question. Compare between examples of strong acids and weak acid. We can? Yes. Also, we need a comparison between strong alkalis and weak alkali. Yes, do that. Make a table at the beginning and look at this. Strong acid, HCl, H2SO4, HE. Weak acid, H2CO3, H2SO4, H3COOH. Easy. HCl, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, strong. Carbonic, yes, high sulfuric, and acetic is a weak. What about the base? Strong alkali and weak alkali. It's easy. NaOH, strong. KOH, also strong. LiOH. The weakest one, ammonium hydroxide. FeOH by 3, iron 3 hydroxide, or copper hydroxide. What about this question? Write the structure formula for each of the following. As a beginning, we need to write the cyclopropane. Cyclopropane C3H6. This is not a structure. This is normal one. The structure will be as you see. You have 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms, each one joined by 2 hydrogen atoms. The result 3 carbon and the other will be 4. You see the shape of its isomerism in the air. Look at this 1, 2, 3. So the formula as you see will be CCC joined H1 by the bond. They are bonded together. Each carbon will be catched by 2 hydrogen atom, H bond, H bond. For the other carbon by the same 2 H bond with H bond to be CHH, CHH, and the last one CH and H. Easy question and easy answer for good formula. This is called a structure formula, not molecular formula. What about to get the other one? The other one about cyclobutane. But it means what? It means 4. This is molecular one, C4H8. The result, as you see for this short movie, tell me you have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Each one catched by 2 hydrogen atoms. So this is the shape. 4 carbon with 8 hydrogen. Yes, it's more. You see, this is a cyclobutane. Easy and important. The shape will be, as you see, C. We have about what? 3? No. Where is the fourth? This is the fourth one. Are bonded together and each one matched by 2 hydrogen atoms. So 2 hydrogen for each place, C4 and H8. Easy and good. Fly to the other one. This one tell me cyclopentane. Cyclopenta. Penta, it means what? It means a 5. C5H10. Catch this. C5H10, as you see, C. How many C now? 5 are bonded together by different bonds. Bond, other, and third, and fourth. Each one carbon from them are joined by 2 atoms of hydrogen from each place and each direction. H, each one by carbon. So the final result from each one will be C5 and H10. Easy to catch this question and important to find this what? A structure formula, not molecular formula. Catch it and do it. For last one, when I say cyclohexane, C6H12, hexa, it means 6. Now, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. H1 bonded by 12, 2 hydrogen, the result will be 12. This is the shape. The shape, as you see, for different direction and move together as a structure formula. Now, we can get this formula and write it? Easy. How can you write this? C. How many C now? 6, 1 are bonded together by different bonded, joined by 2 hydrogen atoms. The result will be C6H12. You have the important shape. Do you know what is the name of the shape? Yes, it's cyclohexane. Fly to the other question. This question give reason. Yes, it's easy. The structure formula better than molecular formula as we saw before. Why? Because look at this exam. I like exam. Don't disturb. Look at this. The answer, because the structure formula shows the type of the bonds between atom. Good. This is not occurred by molecular. Another question, for give reason. Identification of the structure formula of the benzene takes several years. Yeah, we know that. Do you think for what reason? Because it reacts by substitution and addition the bond length between what? Between the carbon, and we know it has a 6 carbons atoms intermediate between single bond and double bond. I love it and I like it. Another question, doctor advised patient to crush the aspirin table as powder before swallowing. Why? Why you get aspirin? Because the aspirin very important for what? To decrease the effect it on its stomach. It causes lesser. Yeah. Now you must make it powder as a beginning, and after that get it. Easy. The other question, how can you prepare? Preparation. Benzene by 2 different methods. Easy. For the first, the answer from acetylene by cyclic polymerization, trimerization. Look at this. 3C2H2, presence of the heat, pressure, and the catalyst will be C6H6. It means benzene from acetylene. Easy. Another one, the other method, by dry dissociations of the sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate? Yeah. Sodium benzoate, CH3COONA, by adding NaOH hydroxide, sodium, in the presence of calcium oxide, and heat will be C6H6 plus Na2CO3. Wonderful to catch benzene by 2 different methods. The other question, how can you prepare its preparation also? Phenol from the benzene and vice versa. Easy, my darling. Look at this question. The answer C6H6 bichlorine in ISL, in direct sunlight.